Hi guys! Welcome to our channel. Today we will show you how to read barcodes from the uploaded file in JavaScript using the PDF.co web API. We will use this sample PDF with different types of barcodes in this demo. Let's begin. First, open your Visual Studio Code editor. You can also use your favorite editor in JavaScript. Then, enter the JavaScript sample code. You can get the JavaScript sample code in PDF.co API docs. In line 13, add your API key. You can get the API key in your PDF.co dashboard. In line 16, input your source file name. For line 19, add the list of barcode types you want to search. Once you're done setting up the code, let's run the program. In your terminal, type in npm install request module for file upload. Then, type the node app.js to see the result. Here's the output with different barcode types and value. For more video tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.